we see Malaysian stocks has been slow to outperform compared to the regionals or global stocks, just like what we have seen this year, Mr. Choo. So what do you think it will be the trigger for our local market to catch up?
Okay, I think we are well aware that the KLCI has been dropping since early of this year and have reached almost what we call a March 2020 low, right? Now, I think this is mostly due to both internal and external factors, right? And on the external side, which on the global front, I think the world is facing a lot of uncertainties, obviously, right? There's worry about coming recessions. There's also a high interest rate environment, and also the still ongoing war with Russia and Ukraine, right? Now, and also back home, we are also facing political headwinds on the current unity government, right? And also the upcoming state election, okay? So, and I think, some people are saying that we also lack some policy direction in the past. So, actually, I don't know exactly, right, when Malaysia will wake up, right? And but I do believe the following, right? Firstly, is that Malaysian market valuation is quite cheap historically, right? It is trading at PE of 12 to 13 times, and its potential dividend yield of I think currently is about 4 to 5%, and I think is quite attractive. Now, if you add up the two items, right, which is the dividend yield of 4 to 5%, and plus some minimal capital appreciation of 5 to 6%, which is actually fundamentally justified by earnings growth, right? Yeah, it would give a total potential return of 9 to 11% for market which we believe is a low volatility market, right? So I think that's quite attractive. And second thing is that we have always been talking about it. Funds flow is very important factor. Yeah. So foreign investors has been a net seller, right? Net seller for the past few years. So our biggest domestic investor, as we all know, is EPF, and EPF is not helping much either because for the past few years they've been actively diversifying outside, and also during the pandemic period they need to raise cash. They were selling shares, to meet the withdrawal, right, during the pandemic period. So that's the past, right? I'm saying, but moving forward, we believe that this trend will reverse as our Prime Minister has instructed EPF to start bringing in back, their investment into our domestic market. And also, we think that the foreign selling is probably at the tail end because based on our numbers, we believe that foreign shareholdings company has dropped to actually a historical low of below 20% already. Thirdly, also, we believe that we need to give a chance to our new unity government under our Prime Minister Datuk Seri Anwar to drive economic growth, right? Now, the Malaysian economy has been not unconscious, right? For the past 5 years, when there was no political stability, and actually we saw 3 Prime Ministers, right? Which is very unprecedented, being appointed now. I think so far for this within these 7 months, right, we have seen the current unity government appear to be pressing the right button and singing the politically correct song, right? So they are talking about digitalization, affordable homes, renewable energy, and etc. So we hope that to give them a chance to to drive our economy and also to instill back interest into our market. Yeah.